How to fix copied text not showing in suggestion bar in GBoard Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding on how we can fix that copied text not being shown in the suggestion bar while you're using GBoard as a keyboard in your Android device. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can fix that. So for that, you need to follow up some method, but before that, I would like you to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new videos. Once you've done that, you can just open up your settings. And once you have opened up your settings, scroll down to the section called General Management, or you can search for keyboard if you can't find General Management. Once you're here, go to keyboard list and default, and you will be finding the list of keyboards that you have on your device. Look out for GBoard, and you will be taken to the space. Once you're here, look for keyboard option. And here, what you're going to do is enable the very first option, this one right here, which says show recently copied text and images in the suggestions bar. And just go ahead and enable it. And once that is done, it should probably be showing it your suggestion bar, the text in your suggestion bar. But if it is not showing, you can go ahead and uninstall the application and reinstall it. Otherwise, also go ahead and clear the data and clear the cache, and that is it. So that is how you can fix up your copied text not showing in suggestion bar in GBoard in your Android device by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.